What's good, YouTube? Welcome to my channel, and today I have a really special review for you guys. This is one of my favorite Nike Tech Fleece pieces, and it's a Chance the Rapper crew member exclusive, so it was only released to the crew for the Be Encouraged tour. Now, I really like this Tech Fleece jacket. This is definitely one of my favorite. Before we get into the review, make sure you guys hit a like, comment, and subscribe. A lot of content will be coming out. Make sure you guys check out my other videos. And with that, let's get into the review. Now for sizing, I got this jacket in a XXL. I normally wear XXL on all Tech Fleece products, so this fits me perfect. I'm 6'3", 220 pounds for sizing reference. I'm really in my XLT, but I rotate between a XXL and an XL just because an XLT is like impossible to find in any pieces. Now I really do love this jacket. On the front side, you have Chance the Rapper, Be Encouraged tour, and then crew right on the right side. It's right across from the Nike on the left. You also have your standard chevrons, which are on the front on every Tech Fleece for the most part. It's also a super nice dark gray. This is made up of just a normal standard Tech Fleece material. It also has a super cool print on the hood. I think that was a nice touch. I really do like that. With the print on the hood, it's also like a two-tone because it has on the back as well, then also on the sleeves. I think this jacket is just super dope, and it was definitely a really nice piece for me to add to my collection. I also don't know if this was just made by chance or if this was made by Nike. I don't know if it's like an official design by Nike that they made for their tour, because I haven't seen this Tech Fleece pattern anywhere. So I would think maybe it was official, like designed by Nike, but I'm not too positive on that. I know this piece is super hard to get because I've never seen another one. This was really the only one I've ever seen. Like majority of Nike Tech Fleece, this has your standard adjustable hood. It features a two-way zip, just like all your Tech Fleece, where you can zip it from the bottom if you want to let it open a little bit. And you also have your standard top zipper. On your top zipper, you also have like a little rubber pull tab, which is pretty nice. I noticed that they started doing that on newer Tech Fleece products. Most of my Tech Fleece pieces are older. I do have some new ones as well, but I kind of like the older Tech Fleece better. This is pretty much just like any Tech Fleece that's just made up of cotton and polyester. What really makes this jacket stand out for me personally is the gray, and then the pattern that they have where it's like two-tone. Looks super nice because I already like the dark gray normal Tech Fleece, but then when they added the pattern with it, I think it looks super dope. It'd be also super nice if they had pants. I don't know if they came out with pants, but if they did, I would definitely get that, because I like to wear my Tech Fleece suits for the most part with the bottoms. I don't normally wear just the tops, but sometimes I do. It just kind of depends how I'm feeling. It would definitely be a toss-up between blue and like gray for Tech Fleece, because those are probably my two favorite colors in the Tech Fleece. The 3 on the back is super dope, and then it kind of has like arms all around it with just hands locked in, which is a super dope touch. It's really dope to find like Tech Fleece products that were like promo or samples that they have where they just collab with people. They're super hard to find. I don't see them like ever, and I wish that Nike did more stuff like this, because it's just a cool piece to add. I like wearing a lot of different kicks, and I think when you have like cool Nike products to go with it, like from a clothes standpoint, that it looks super dope. It's hard for me to really put a value on this because there's none on the market. I would definitely recommend this if you could find it, but I haven't seen another one. I figured I'd make this video for you guys so you guys could just see the product. I hope you guys can get your hands on it. Maybe there'd be some more that pop up. I know this is just a super kind of rare one-off item that I found, but I figured it'd be cool to make a YouTube video on it and show you guys one of my favorite Nike Tech Fleece pieces. I do own a ton of Nike Tech Fleece, which I'll do a video on. I just haven't really got around to it. And I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys check out my other videos. I'll be doing a lot of content on Nike Tech and Nike Lab. I'll also be doing kicks. So just stay posted for that. Just to add on to if this was a public release of just the jacket itself, it was. I actually found some shorts that I had that I didn't realize, and they have the same exact pattern. Just kind of crazy. These are in the bottom of a drawer, so I kind of forgot about them. But I got these a little while ago, and it's the same exact pattern. So I guess there is some joggers that I could find that have the same pattern on it and I could rock it. I just figured I'd add that for you guys. Thanks again for watching. I'm out.
laugh, gon' laugh, gon' laugh, gon' laugh.